Okay, now this live, hi everyone. I don't even think that anyone is actually going to see this live. I did it a few hours ago on TikTok where we went over your free Chi ebook, Let's Learn Chi. And see, the Ameba Beye Bukuna Matrono, it's just your intro to Chi, very short, a few pages for those who are going to be spending the summer in Ghana or you're going to be surrounded by family. So, in order for you to follow and for this to actually make sense to you, you need to go to letslearnchi.com, get your free Chi ebook, and we are going to go page by page. And let me find this book. I'll show you the cover so you see exactly. Hey, now you're up. So you see exactly what I'm referring to and the way this thing has disappeared. Wow. Here we go. So this is what I am referring to. And it is called Let's Learn Twi, or rather, it's called Aburokyire Twi, Going Home for the Summer. So I'm going to go page by page. My phone is dinging. My trying Mediane, page by page, and we're going to review so that you know what it sounds like and just to give you support as you're spending some time learning this language. We're going to start actually on page 4 with your tree must knows. The first word is going to be mepacho, please, mepacho. Now, if you're a new tree speaker, I highly, highly recommend that you always have a mirror when you're practicing by yourself. The reason for the mirror is you want to be able to see what's happening right here. You want to be able to see what your teeth are doing. You want to be able to see what your tongue is doing. Trust me, it matters if you care about the pronunciation. Me pa cho, me pa cho. It means please. If you're around Ghanaians, you know that we say Mpachao a lot. And when we're speaking English, sometimes, especially our older Ghana for, Omubeka please out of context. And the reason sometimes, you might hear them say the word please either too much or out of context in English or another language is because it makes sense in our language. You can never overuse it. If please, Mepacho is all the tree that you know, use it. Mipacho, I'm tired. Mipacho, how are you doing? Mipacho, pass the bread. Mipacho, are you coming with me? Mipacho, yes. Mipacho, oh no. Mipacho, mipacho, mipacho. Mipacho, mipacho. Mi means me. Wu means you. Mepawocho would be the full phrase, but we say, you want to be natural when you're speaking, me pa cho, me pa cho. Learn it, memorize it, use it. Me pa cho. Right next to please, we have medase. Thank you. Medase. Thank you. Me pa cho, please, medase. Thank you. When someone does something for us, you want to say medase. Thank you. The next one, if you are a new speaker, it's so important. You have to be able to tell people that you don't understand what they're saying. Mintiasie. Me. Me means me. M-E. Me in English. M-E. Me in Chi. But in Chi, it's pronounced me. Mintiasie. I don't understand. Me. Mtiasie. Metiasie, I do understand. Mintiasie, I don't understand. Metiasie, I do understand. Mintiasie, I don't understand. Me te a sie me te a sie. And that's why when you're starting, the mirror is important. Think of the English word nice. If you say the word nice very, very, very slowly, and you put your hand right here, feel what it feels like to say the letter N of the word nice. Mm. It's that same when you're saying mintiasia, mintiasia, mintiasia. So if someone is speaking, they're speaking too fast, they use a word you don't understand, mintiasia, mepacho mintiasia. And if they say, Edian na won't what don't you? What means you? Edian what? Edian na won't what don't you understand? I don't understand what you're saying. Mente dia wo kanoasia. Mente dia wo kanasia. So I don't understand what you are saying. Mente dia wo kanasia. Mente what you are saying. Asia. Feel comfortable to throw in your English if you don't have a full tree sentence in you. Mente what you are saying, Asia. Mepacho, mente what you are saying, Asia. Mente Asia, I don't understand. So we have, and I keep looking down because I want to stick to the tree ebook. Aburokyire Twi, medase, mepacho, mente Asia. And then because you're a new learner, you want to be able to ask for help. Mihia womoa. I need your help. Mihia womoa. I need your help. Me hia womoa. I need your help. Mihia moa. I need help. Mihia moa. Mihia womoa. Then finally, you're learning, you're new, you want to be able to ask, how do you say blank in Twi? Say na yeka. How do you say say na yeka? Or rather, how do we say yang we? How do we say say na yeka? And then you fill it in. Say na yeka potato in Twi. Say na yeka girl in Twi. Say na yeka I'm a student in Twi. Say na yeka I'm hungry in Twi. Say na yeka how do you say? Another way would be yeka blank saying with Twi mu. But I think saying na yeka blank in Twi is much simpler. So that's your step one of your beginning. Medase, mepacho, mintiasie, mihia womoa, saying na ye can fill in the blank in Twi, just to get you started. So all of this is found on page 4 of your free Twi ebook. Then when we go to the next page, so again, if you don't have the book, let's learn Twi.com. And then if we go to the next page, we have our introductions. How do you, very, very basic, introduce yourself in Twi? You will hear greetings. So the first word that I put in this book was ago. If I'm entering a space and, knock, knock, I'll just say ago just to see who's in there. And then the first thing you hear, you see someone, etisang, how are you? Etisang, wuhutisang. Etisang, how are you? Wuhutisang, how are you doing? Wo hun ti sang. Wo hun ti sang. How are you doing? Wo hun ti sang. Etisang. And the response, eye, very basic. But I would say add mipacho, eye, mipacho mihuye, mipacho eye, mipacho. So that's please I'm fine, or mipacho mihuye, please I am fine. Etisang mipacho eye, etisang mipacho eye. Then next we have Wudin the saying, what is your name? Wo means you. Din means name. Wudin the saying. What is your name? Midinde. My name is. Midinde Amma. My name is Amma. Midinde Jonathan. My name is Jonathan. Midinde Robert. My name is Robert. Midinde Mary. My name is Mary. Midinde Martha. My name is Martha. Right? What is your name? Wudin de Sang. Wudin de Sang. Midinde. Wudin de Sang. Midinde. What is your name? My name is. Now, everything that I'm sharing with you, there are other ways to say it. Tree has synonyms, tree has antonyms, tree has similarities. So I'm sharing one way of all the different things. And as we go along and we build our vocabulary, I will gladly share other ways. Let's learn tree.com if you don't have your ebook. Continuing, where are you from? Woofree hing. Wo free hin. Wo free hin. You are from where? Where are you from? Wo free hin. Me free Ghana. I'm from Ghana. Me free Bronx. I'm from Bronx. Me free Florida. I'm from Florida. Me free Paris. Me free Germany. Me free China. Me free New Mexico. Me free. Me free. I am from. Woo free hen, me free. Woo free hen, where are you from? Me free, I am from. Woo free, me free. Woo free hen, me free. Where are you from? I am from. Next, it's very short. What if you're tired and you're hungry? How do you share that energy? Ekom de me. I'm hungry. Ekom de me. Ekom is hunger. Hunger is me. I am hungry. Ekom de me. Ekom de me. I am hungry. Medidi, I will eat. Medidi, I will eat. Now, if you remember, it's the N that made mintiasia, I don't understand, versus mitiasia, I do understand. So if you are hungry, ekom de me. You can say I am not hungry by adding the N. Ekom de me. Ekom de me. I am not hungry. Ekom de me. I am hungry. Ekom de me. I am not hungry. Ekom de me. I am hungry. Then we have my breath. Whew, my breath, my breath, my breath, my breath. It means I'm tired. My breath, my breath, my breath, my breath, my breath, my breath. My breath means I'm tired. My breath. If me means me, and therefore my breath means I'm tired, and wo means you, how do you think we say you're tired in Chi? Wa breath. My breath. Wa breath. My breath. I am tired. Wa breath. Wa breath. You are tired. Wa breath. You're tired. Gets a little tricky with the tone when we keep going, but just for basics, my breath, I'm tired. Wa breath, you are tired. Why, dear, well done. Why, dear, well done. It's so important that you have ways to encourage as you're learning the language. So my breath, oh, my food is here. We did the come to me. Mimi fienti, my order is done. Okay. My food is almost here. My breath, I'm tired. Come to me, I'm hungry. Why, dear, well done. Wo, aye, dear. I love why, dear. It means well done. And sometimes I find myself doing literal translation. I don't recommend literal translation when you're learning a new language. It doesn't always work because the literal translation, why, dear, is you've done something. You've done something. You've done anything. But it means for us, you've done well. Well done. Why, dear. So let's take it from the top because believe it. Oh no, we're not done. Wow, I thought we were done. We're not done. Oh, okay. So after why, dear, our next page gets into patience. Nyabotre, have patience. Usua tree, nyabotre why? Usua tree, nyabotre, kakra kakra, ebeyeye. As you're learning tree, be patient, have patience. Little by little, it shall be well. Wusua tree, you learning tree, as you're learning tree. Wusua tree, wunu musuyi, as you're drinking water. Wusua tree, nyabotre, as you're learning tree, have some patience with yourself. Nya, a, bo, tre. Nya, nya, a, bo, tre. Nyabotre, have patience. Si abotre, be patient. Nyabotre, why? Have patience, okay? Nyabotre, nyabotre. What's the next one? Emfahu, it doesn't matter. Emfahu. I added this in here because I know for many of you, as you're learning this language, some people around you might make fun of your accent. They might say you're not Ghanaian enough. It's not tree that makes you Ghanaian. It's not tree that makes you love Ghana. So, Mfahu, it doesn't matter what they say. As long as you want to learn the language, I am here to support you, especially if you live in the diaspora. I want us to reclaim, retain, and evolve tree in the diaspora so we can encourage other speakers of other local languages to do the same with their local languages. I think that would be so awesome. So, Mfahum, it doesn't matter what they say, speak your tree. So, word bakupe and awunima, you say that one word awunim, and you surround the rest with English. And then the next time, you add a bit more tree, little by little, kakra kakra, until you have a full sentence. Emfahu or emfamehu. I don't care. It has nothing to do with me. Emfamehu. So emfahu doesn't matter. Emfamehu. It has nothing to do with me. So it's like I don't care. It has nothing to do with me. So it has nothing to do with you. What people want to say about this tree journey of yours because you're learning and it's for you. It's for your children, your friends, your future, not others. Emfamehu. Now, Twi is a tonal language. Ɛmfa me ho, ɛfa me ho, ɛmfa me ho, ɛfa me ho. Ɛfa me ho is like it is about me. It you do care. It is about you. Ɛmfa me ho has nothing to do with me. I don't care. So let me sing. I'm gonna do rapid fire from the beginning. Oh, I did skip. I skipped the welcome. Oh, akwaba. Welcome. Akwaba. Akwaba means welcome. But we did that already in the other video. Akwaba means welcome. And in our other lesson, we did learn that in Chi, when someone says akwaba, you don't say medase. Say yenya, yeja, or yena, depending on the age and the gender of the person who said akwaba to you. And so today we have akwaba, welcome. Mepacho, please. Medase, thank you. Mintiasie, I don't understand. Mitiasie, I do understand. Misue tree, I'm learning tree. Toboase, slow down. Nyabotre, have patience. Ooh, yes. This is what happens when you're traveling. people come to your room. So we're going to end this here because I have to go. My food is here. I hope you enjoyed. Bye. Coming.